In this video, I will show you how to create custom offer on your Fiverr mobile app or on PC. Let me show you how. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, all you have to do is to make sure you download and install Fiverr app on your mobile device. So for that, for everyone using Android phone, just go to Play Store, open up your Play Store, and then you want to make sure you click on search app, type in Fiverr. Then hit on search, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Fiverr freelance service. It's going to take you right here. Make sure you download and install Fiverr. After a successful download and install, click on open, and it's going to ask you to log in with your Fiverr username, password, and as the likes. After you successful login, it's going to take you to your Fiverr account. Now, for you to create a custom offer, all you have to do is to make sure you come down below right here, click on this profile icon. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on custom offer templates. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on create a template. So here you go. At this point here, you have to make sure you select your gig right here. I'm going to select this gig. Once you select your gig, describe your offer right here. Once you describe in detail of your offer, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the price. Enter your price right here. And the next thing you want to do, delivery time, select your delivery time. Everything depends on the agreement by you with the buyer, okay? So I'm going to select delivery time. Once you select delivery time, number of revision, click on it. And then you want to make sure you choose the number of revision right here. Or better still, you can put it in unlimited revision. Next, scroll down right here, and then you want to make sure you click on service options right here. So you can decide to make it design concept and how many concepts. Everything depends on the kind of things you are doing. Print ready, source file, double-sided, and then click on save, just like so. Then scroll down right here, request requirement, and then reuse for future offer. You can also use this same template and save it for future offer, just like so. Then come down below right here, click on template name, new offer. Then once you are done, then next thing you want to do right here, simply scroll down right here and then click on save right here to save your template. And you are done. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.